Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4, Informatics and Technology in Leadership in the Management Team. Just let me mention that we do have recommended readings for this week, and they are from the textbook by Kathleen Blaze and Janice Hayes, which I believe you have from a different course. And the first chapter is chapter 16 on technology in informatics. And it covers a lot of things that we're talking about in this week's discussion and assignment, including issues, ethical issues related to information technology, the technology explosion, and current applications of information technology in practice, things like physician order entry, the electronic health record, evidence-based practice, and telehealth. The other chapter that is recommended to read from this text is chapter 25, which is the future of nursing. And it also has a part where it talks about looking toward the future of nursing, which talks a lot about computer technology and its effect on health and nursing care. With that said, there are also several readings that we've added into Canvas that have to do with Nursing Informatics 101, the right balance technology in patient care, faculty experiences with technology millennials versus baby boomers, and the effect that CPOE has on physician and nurse communication. And then finally, technology in nursing, how electronics are changing the field. So what skills do I need to succeed? Our competencies this week are to demonstrate the ability to participate in effective teamwork and collaboration. I'm so sorry, I apologize. I was reading from the wrong page of the syllabus. Our competencies this week are to apply informatics and technology to optimize provision of healthcare, to explain the use of informatics and technology in your nursing practice, to discuss the strengths and weaknesses in the type of healthcare delivery system you are presently using in your healthcare environment, to explore the application of a new electronic method to optimize the provision of patient care, and to illustrate the utilization of informatics and technology in leadership and management. This is really such an interesting week for me because in the last couple of courses that I've taught, I've learned a lot about different technologies and different softwares that I am not used to, and I've also learned that some of the state agencies still do all of their documentation on paper. Our discussion question says, high technology, including patient monitoring systems, computerized medication administration, electronic medical record systems, and computerized patient data storage systems, have advanced quickly in the last few years. They want us to discuss the use of informatics in our practice environment and address the advantages and disadvantages of these systems. Our assignment is on the future of informatics, and it says, technology has dramatically changed how nurses communicate and perform their work. In what ways has technology altered previous methods of communication? Explain the future of utilization of informatics and technology in leadership and management. A couple more things just to think about. Do you have an informatics nurse at your facility? What does he or she do on a daily basis? Do you see them? Are there people that are out on the unit and active in the everyday work of your electronic medical record? Do you have a nursing informatics team? Do you have a nursing informatics council? Is that something that you would be interested in joining? In today's world, with all of the instant information that we get, think of our newest nurses who just got out of school and are used to having information at their fingertips. They ask a question onto their smartphone and they can get the answer immediately. They are tweeting, they are Instagramming, they are on Facebook, they are Snapchatting. We have physicians, we have nurses, we have all kinds of disciplines at our facilities that are using their smartphones and other kinds of technology for work purposes, to look up medications and diagnoses and patient conditions. Yet think about this, does your hospital still have a policy that forbids the use of phones or cell phones on the units? This last picture is just a picture of my granddaughter Iris and her Uncle Timmy and myself. And I think that Iris is actually the future of our technology. It is her generation that is going to just take this to the next step and run with it. I'll see you ladies online.